Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do kind of like a part 2 to my very old video, the Sharpie and Canvas. Today we're gonna try to do some doodling, a doodling project with an acrylic paper and maybe a Sharpie or some type of black marker. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is what I did with just a pencil. I doodled a bunch of stuff, and I decided to do it for my sister who has a planner channel or Instagram account. She does a lot of planning stuff, so I decided, because I didn't know which topic to do. She can decide to keep this or not, but I don't want to bore you with my doodling with a pencil, so I didn't film it, but this is what I came up with. Okay, so these are our choices for the pens that we're going to use. As you can see, there's a Sharpie and there's different kinds and brands. I don't know if I'm going to use all of them, but here you go. Thank you guys for watching my video, and hope you guys were entertained and maybe learned something. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll try and do more videos like this, or whatever video. I'm gonna try to post more videos. So thank you. Bye.